Is that elimination?
No, it's 2 points off.
How many?
2.
Okay.
Yeah, she's going really nicely. It's because she's only human. You only got one turn. I just go round and go to bed.
Yeah.
Wait till we get to the test tomorrow. They're tricky, aren't they?
Yeah. At 1.5 is a killer.
God, unbelievable.
And just when you think you're going one way, you've got to turn back round and go back the other way. And it's like, geez.
She'll be gutted.
Yeah,
She'll be pissed off.
she will. It's so easy to do with it, though. Nice. Well done.